Tuscaloosa broke a record high today, 76 degrees.
76 degrees.
It was almost 80 in Mississippi. That's just the air mass that we had in place right before this big cold front moved in. The warm, moist air, that's going to feed the storms that we see for tonight. And it's a weather-aware night and early tomorrow morning. It looks like most of the weather won't get here till after midnight. So we'll go ahead and say basically midnight on, that's when we're going to really have to be weather aware. But you see a large swath of the southeast from Tennessee through actually northwest corner of Alabama, not quite in our viewing area, but in the Huntsville TV market, then down through Mississippi into Arkansas and Louisiana. This long line of storms has actually weakened a little bit, but still strong enough to cause a couple of severe thunderstorm and tornado warnings in the northern part of Mississippi. And they've already had some confirmed tornadoes in those parts as well. Northern Mississippi, Tennessee, also Arkansas, a couple of places with some damage due to tornadoes. We have a chance, a very small chance, to see a tornado in West Alabama, mainly West Alabama. We're talking Marion, Winston, Fayette, Lamar, Pickens counties. And damaging winds are going to be the main threat, I think, for most everybody else. And that threat is going to be after midnight until around mid-Sunday morning, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. But overall, it's on the low end of things. This isn't the kind of event that we had just a couple of weeks ago. So let's break down the timing. Storm Track Futurecast. We didn't see those smaller thunderstorms that could have been tornadic earlier in the day. So that was some good news. We just saw a lot of light rain and some cloud cover. By midnight tonight, though, you're going to start to see that line approach the northwest corner of our viewing area. Folks in Lamar County, in Marion County, in Winston County, and Fayette County, you're going to have to be heads up between around midnight and 2 a.m. By 2 o'clock, it starts to push a little bit farther in. Tuscaloosa County, Walker County, Coleman County, you'll see the leading edge of these storms. And then it starts to break up a little bit. Futurecast, pretty consistent with the storms breaking up by, say, around 4 to 5 o'clock. But still, there might be an embedded thunderstorm in this line by that time that produces some damaging wind gusts as well. But look at the temperatures behind the cold front when it moves through. 45 degrees in Hamilton. It drops about 20 degrees from where it is now. And we might even see a little bit of wintry mix early in the morning, 6 o'clock in the morning. By that time, I think most of the severe weather threat will be done, and we just see some light rain, but we could see a little bit of wintry mix there mid-morning. I think most of that will just be light. This is not going to be an icy event by any stretch. A few light showers remain by noontime, but note the temperatures in the 30s and low 40s tomorrow afternoon. Such a big shock to the system, and the winds will be very strong tomorrow as well. Monday will be a cold day, a cold start to the day with temperatures in the 20s. Highs will only be in the middle and upper 40s. Could see another inch to an inch and a half of rain, which is good, what we need, but still not enough to obviously bust that big drought. So for tomorrow morning, what we're expecting, temperatures in the 40s, a few areas of light showers until around noontime. That's when we start to see a little bit of sunshine come out, but I still think it'll be a gray day overall. But falling temperatures, 46 will actually be the temperature very early in the morning, and we're only going to be in the 30s for tomorrow afternoon. Look at the winds as well, 15 to 25 miles per hour. So that severe weather threat basically between midnight and 6 a.m. for mainly West Alabama and points north of I-59. There you see Monday into Tuesday, moderating temperatures for the middle of the work week. Another shot of rain on Thursday with some nicer days ahead for Friday and Saturday, Christmas Eve of next week. Lee?